Good morning, everyone. This is Nicole, your mobile bloggist for TOCtown.com. I am live and local this week. Just wanted to share with you an update on my mobile style studio setup when I do video blogs on the go. Of course, all of the Amazon Smile links will be in the comment section. All right, here we go. I decided to pick up another refill for the Pilot G2, but this time it's in a bold, so every time I need to write down my stop and start time, then I have my Staples sticky. It's not 3M. It's a pack that I picked up from their clearance section, so all I have to do is plop this in my personal size planner, and then at least with a stop and go of every day, you remember what time you started, what time you arrived, any interruptions or small, breaks that you had to take in between. You can always annotate that and keep it moving. All right. So I'm going to add that to my live and local media box. I'll go ahead and link in the comment section or in the cards above a connection. Actually, that's for YouTube. I'll go ahead and link the original URL somewhere so that you can see the original media kit that I take with me. And also, I decided to go ahead and use this cell phone exclusively for IGTV, and I have an SD card for my tablet, so therefore if I ever need to switch out and upload it to another social media platform, I can do so readily while I'm on the go. And last but not least, here is my tablet. I decided to add a little paper towel to it because every time you're going somewhere on the go, you're always going to need to wipe off the lens somewhere, somehow. Sticky fingers may have gotten a hold of it. So those are my pieces of equipment that I'm going to be taking with me while I'm on the go. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to let me know in the comment section below. I'm Nicole, your mobile bloggist for TOC Town Live and Local. Take care.